I can't. We are lasering a frozen pizza. 100% power on a 60-watt laser. Let's see how this goes. Perfect 45 degrees. Will make for some happy kids. Laser on. Fingers crossed. Go. Perfect. It smells like burnt hair. The moment of truth. No! It didn't cut all the way through. Man, so close. I bet I can tear it though. Nope, not quite. I wonder if I had gone at a slower speed, I wonder if it would have went all the way through. It's so close. Just couldn't get through that last little area. Alright, I'm gonna try to slow it down a little bit. It was at 10 millimeters a second, now we're at 6. Close that lid for safety. I don't think I lined it up just right, but ooh. Yes, pepperoni smoke. Moment of truth. Come on, baby. Tell me you cut. Oh, it kind of did on the end there. So sad. Yeah, it cut on the ends. Well, maybe it'll break apart like a piece of cardboard. It was a little bit closer, but still not quite enough. Woo! That's hot. Just steamed up the camera. Alright. We got the lasered pizza. Still smells like burnt hair. And the non-lasered pizza. Yeah, I don't think we ever cooked the pizzas. So one upside you get to cutting the pizza with the laser is you have guidelines. So you know, you're just gonna go with the line. I wish the pizza would. Oh yeah, that's good. The downside to this is the pizza smells like burnt hair, and I don't think we're gonna eat it. So, yeah. It really smells bad. I'm not gonna let my kids eat this. I can't. I can't even explain the taste of that. That is, if you know the smell of burnt hair, it tastes like burnt hair. There is literally one place that this belongs now. Cats, come on, really smell it. No, don't eat it. It's so gross. Don't eat it. No, don't. Winston, don't eat it. It's so gross. Watch out, cats. I gotta lift this up. Ow, the cat just bit my finger. Yeah, I know my finger smells better than the trash. Woo. This is where this belongs. I know. Starving kids in Africa. The pizza may have won the battle today, but it has not won the war. I will be adding some improvements to my laser to surely allow me to serve up some burnt hair pizza to the entire family. Be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you will know when new videos in the laser saga continue. I also want to thank my supporters on Patreon, especially my top supporter, Kyle Hixson. If you have any suggestions for what I should use my laser for in upcoming videos, be sure to leave a comment below. Until next time, I'll see you then. Ow, the cat just bit my finger.